here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remodel an old rusty bird cage into a brand new cage without throwing it away. And this will cost you probably just like I think I will need like 4 cans. So this will cost you probably like around $30. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. This is Angelic Parrots, aka Caroline on PETZHOLT. Okay, so today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remodel Glory's old cage. It has been in storage like forever, ever since I got her, and I got her a new cage. And look how rusty this is. This is so rusty. We're gonna remodel it and make it like brand new. So first thing what we have to do is get the rust off it. So I bought this. It's like $5 in Home Depot. It's called rust dissolver. We're gonna put on the rust dissolver and then we're gonna wash it off, and we have to dry it, and then we're gonna paint it, spray it with this spray. We're gonna make this cage look like brand new. Let's do this. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remodel an old rusty bird cage into a brand new cage without throwing it away. And this will cost you probably just like I think I will need like 4 cans. So this will cost you probably like around $30. This cage is really old. You can't get it anywhere. This is a beautiful cage. Look at this beautiful cage. It's a really nice, has a nice skeleton, a nice foundation. So I don't want to throw it away just because it's old and rusty. We're gonna remodel it and make it like brand new and reuse it. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any episode. Check out also my main channel, Caroline on PETZHOLT. So half an hour into this, I already unrust this side and this side, and I flip it around so I unrust both sides. Look at that, it's already working. See, you can see now the metal coming through. The rust is almost going away. So you can see here the metal is coming through. This was before, this is rust, and this is now after. And this is great because we want to paint this with like that. So my rust dissolver is empty. I might need to go to the store to get another bottle. And also I need to wait half an hour. I need to unrust those two. My bottle is empty. But these are not too bad. These two are the worst one, and this one is the worst one. So I'm gonna unrust this with the rest, and then I'm gonna go to the store and get some more. Also guys, if you're doing those type of work, you always need gloves on. Protective glove and also goggles, but you know, I keep it far away. But I got already 2 splashes on my face, and this is like accent. It goes really into the skin and can burn it off. So you have to be really careful if you work with those type of materials to not get it onto your skin. Okay, let's continue right here with this one and rust it off. Okay guys, my Russell nail is gone, finito. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna spray it off. Also, when you start this is really important that you clean it off. So I didn't film it, but I cleaned the whole cages and I scrubbed it real good, so all dust and debris is gone, and dirt and poop and all these old stuff. So make sure if you have a cage that you want to remodel, to clean it really good. I didn't film it, but I cleaned it really good before starting even this work. Half an hour is already gone, so let's look at this magic process of this rust dissolver. Okay, as you can see a difference? It's steel, it's not rust anymore. It's working. You see that? It was rusty. Look. Now it's not rusty. Here you can see spots. This was rust right here, and now this is metal, and this is what we want. We want that metal comes out. So I'm gonna go over with the brush and oh wait. Oh, a little chick bug.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so 1 hour later, just came back from Home Depot right here. I got 2 extra spray paint, so each bottle is like $4, and this was the last one on the shelf and a last rust dissolver. So let's look how it does its job. I think this does an amazing job. Check this out. So I have now 1 hour. It's been now 1 hour since it's on, and I'll check out those results. You can see all the rust is gone, and it's just like metal. Remember how rusty it all was? Look at this. Looks already good. It's almost steel. See the difference between the rust and now it's steel? I think the rest dissolver did a phenomenal job. So now I'm gonna spray it down, scrub off the rest of the rest dissolver, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna let it sit in the sun to dry, and then we're gonna spray paint it. Let's do this. So I just hose it all down and scrub it down, so all the rest dissolver is now gone. Now I'm gonna let it dry in the sun, and I'm gonna put more rust dissolver on the top. The top didn't have rust dissolver yet because I ran out of it. So let's do this while this is drying. Okay, so this is the dome top right here, and remember I ran out of rust dissolver. So we're gonna put some rust dissolver on here, flip it around, and then these are dry, and then we're gonna spray paint that. So I just finished. Let's flip it around. Okay guys, so I just finished the dome with the rust resolver, and now let's go see how dry these doors are, and let's go spray paint it. Let me tell you, spray painting is the most fun of all, but you have to prepare it before you spray paint it. So the preparation takes like a lot of time and a lot of work. And then once you are finished with your pre-preparation, you get to spray paint it, and that's the fun part.
Moments later.
Okay guys, it will take a while till the rust will dissolve off the dome and the other stuff. So, and it takes a while till it's dry. So it's a beautiful sunny day in California. Babies are screaming. Let's get them out. Let's hose them down. Little halftime break. Halftime break.
More moments later.
Okay guys, this is all dry up. This is all done. I hosed it down. You can see how nice it is. Look at that. The rust is all gone. I'm so impressed with the rust remover. Look at that. It's like really like steel. You can see through. And the nice thing with the rust remover is you just put it in and that's it with a painting brush, right? There's no like scrubbing. You can take rust off with a sandpaper, but then you have to sand and use your strength, your muscle strength, like sand every single one down. But with the rust remover, you just put it on and then just wait, and bam, it makes its magic. So next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a tart up here because I'm gonna spray and I don't want to get the wall dirty. So put up a tart. Let's do it. So now that the wall is protected, I can start spraying it. And here it is. This is what I use, Rust O'Neill semi-gloss white. I want everything white, shiny white. Gonna shake it. So a can is like $4, like $3.99 in Home Depot. I have 4 cans. So I don't know how much I'm gonna go through. I put both the walls next to each other, so the spacing is not too big. So if I spray here, it will spray also right back here. So I will catch some paint and not too many paint will get wasted. But look how really nice it became and how The wrestle nail did a really wonderful job to take away all the rust. Wow, see the difference? This is painted, sprayed, and this is not sprayed. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished already the first door, the first wall right here, and you can see already now a difference. Wow, look at that. It looks already like brand new. So let's continue, flip it around and do the other side. Okay, I just emptied the first can. That's it. Let's get a second can. Oh, this is can number 2. 2. Let's do this. I need to get the mask. Okay guys, if you do a project like this, make sure you get a mask because I'm feeling it now in my lungs. Let's go get a mask. And also you have to always check the weather report. You need sun because this has to dry for 2 weeks. And if it doesn't dry for 2 weeks, it's not good. So it has to cure and dry for 2 weeks before showing it to the parrot. Also, if you do this, make sure that all your parrot is secure and your windows are closed so that no toxic fumes go into your house because this can kill parrots.
Later.
Ah, so much better. I have now my mask on. Let's continue doing this project. Okay guys, this looks already like new, right? This is great because I'm almost done with the side and my hands are already like ow, cramping because it's really hard to like press down the spray can. Make sure if you spray can, you always have gloves, because look at what happens to your fingers if you don't have any gloves on. You don't want that, and it's so hard to get these out. Guys, it's also very important to take breaks. You have to like relax your hand, your wrist from the pressing. This little finger will be sore tomorrow. And still so much to do. I have to like spray paint every single bar. Yep, but it will be so awesome. So the question is, why do you want to remodel a cage if you can just buy one new? Okay, so the cost, it all comes down to cost. To buy a new cage this size costs between $400 to like $700–800. Now, if you already have an old cage, why buy a new one? You just can remodel it. And for this whole cage, I spent two jars of rust remover, which is $6 each, so that's $12. And I bought 4 cans of spray paint. Each can is $4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 12 for the 2 rust remover, and it gives me a total of $28 to remodel this cage. And you will have a brand new cage just for $28 instead of buying a brand new one for $700. There you have it, guys. It all comes down to math. Okay guys, so I just noticed my battery is almost about to die. I might need to continue this tomorrow. I'm just gonna let these dry here, and I'm gonna continue tomorrow too, because I'm losing sunlight. The sun heat is gonna go down. Can you see the difference? So this is painted, this is white, this was the original color, beige, and this was the rust, black. You see, you can see 3 different colors: beige, white, black. And just like that, spray can number 2 is gone. Bam! Gone. Let's start number 3. Just like that, can number 3 is done. So we already used 3 cans. I have 1 more can. I'm gonna finish up tomorrow, losing sunlight. Gonna secure everything over there to let it dry. Tomorrow is a new day.
Much later. The following day.
Okay guys, today is day 2 of me working on that cage. Actually, technically day 3 if you count the cleaning day. But check this out. This is the dome, and look at what a wonderful job the rust remover did. Like, the rust is all gone. Check this out. So you can see this was all rusty right here. Look, now you can just see steel, no rust anymore. And this is what we did yesterday. Remember how rusty it was? And look how nice. This is like brand new almost. So I think this is the only one I have to repaint. Let's turn it around. Yep. See? Here? I need to spray that right here. So this side has to be sprayed. Oh. This side has to be sprayed. This one has to be sprayed. I'll have to take out this. And this one has to be sprayed too. I just took those one off the feeder. Look how dirty this is. And if you turn it around, this is all dirty. So this will come back here. I've already established my working space. So let's get everything over. All right, and this. So you can see this side, I sprayed already. Look how nice. This is just one coat. I have to touch up here. Let's touch it up. And the reason why I put these one behind is if I spray, the spray doesn't get lost. And I will spray these one additional with if I fix this one. So this is my 4th can using on this cage. Let's fix it. So I need to open the door. Okay guys, and just like that, can number 4 is finito. Let's get can number 5. Okay guys, so I'm now can number 5. Let's continue this. I hope this is the last can, and we have to do the dome as well. Okay guys, so I just finished all the panels. Now I'm gonna go and do the dome. So this is the 5th can. The 5th can is empty. Let's do number 6. Gone. Number 5, 6. Okay, and you can see the process already. You can see the difference, the white and the old beige color. Look at this is all the beige color. You see that? You see this? This is all the old color. All the old color. And you can see this, I just painted it. So you can see the difference. See the difference? We're ready to rock and roll. Okay guys, I just finished can number 6. This is can number 7, 7. And look at that. Look at how nice it is. Oh wow, looks like new, right? Let me give you a tour. I'm almost done. I just need to flip it on the other side and then that's it. Okay guys, that was it. That was my project. Everything is white. I'll put it together shortly and I'll show you a before and an after picture. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give us a thumb up, comment below, hit subscribe button, go check out Caroline von PETZHOLT. And it's very important also to let this dry and cure for 2 weeks. And if you do a project like this, make sure you have the sun. Where's the sun? The sun, so that it will dry fast. And 2 weeks have to be outside to let it cure. Also take a lot of time. I spent 3 days doing it. The first day was just cleaning and scrubbing. The second day was like removing the rest, and the third day is just painting. So this is a project, but it cost me like overall $40. So I use 8 spray cans and 2 dust resolver. So this is all what I use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to finish this cage. And each spray can was like $4, and 2 rust dissolver. Each dissolver is like $6. So this was my project. Glory's cage now brand new.
The next day.
Here it is, guys. Finally, I finished it. Glory's old cage. It looks like new. Incredible what a paint job can do. Look at that. It's all white. Here's the before and after picture. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, if you learned something, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And check out also my main channel, Caroline von PETZHOLT. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.